a bag of cookie mix that only needs egg and butter and want to do something with it? Well, worry not. I have done that thing. Yes. Professionalism. Get your ingredients. Got butter. You got an egg. 1 egg. And Sunny D. Because you get thirsty. Don't worry about it. And then you have to move it down a little bit. Yeah. Heat it to the direction oven. You blah. Yep, do that. Oh, and don't forget to microwave your butter a little bit because it has to be a bit softened. Not too much, but a bit. Now put the ingredients in the bowl. Do it. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Wow. That's crazy. I know, right? Wow. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look so holly jolly? Holly jolly wally? Wow. What I realized in this segment is that we don't have a whisk. It's amazing. And now you mix. Mix your heart out. Unless you don't want to, then you could just eat powder. I don't know. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that quality content. Doesn't it look so amazing? Chocolate! Once you're done mixing, now it's time to shape the cookies into whatever shape you want. But this, we shaped it into circles because it's raw and great. Huh? Oven's already on.
It's not on.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Can we make a smiley face on it?
Sure. Let me flatten it out a little bit. And then you put it in the oven for 20 minutes and it's done. Yeah, look at that. That looks like cookies. Oh, look at those cookies. That's the end of the episode of Baking with Demiki. Hope to see you next time. Merry Christmas. Have a good day. Or night. Good night. Good day. Wow. Good night. You know when you acquire a bag of cookie mix that only needs an egg and butter but want to do something?